Good morning and welcome to the weekly weather briefing for the National Weather Service in Atlanta. Today is Wednesday, August 31st, 2022. Here are the highlights. A quiet week is coming up for the weather. Highs in the mid to upper 80s, in some areas the low 90s. And the lows will be in the upper 60s, and some possibly low 70s. Afternoon thunderstorms will return to the region this weekend, and while the tropics are becoming active, no impacts are expected for Georgia. As we look at the current conditions, a stationary front across the south will keep any afternoon storms confined to south and central Georgia. A few isolated thunderstorms are possible this afternoon, primarily south of Macon, but it should be a pretty quiet day across the region. Right now, a stationary front is stalled across the area for today and tomorrow, and dry air will keep the afternoon thunderstorms down to a minimum. As the front pushes to the east, storms will begin to move back into the area by the weekend. Here's a look at your tropical weather outlook. The 2-day tropical weather outlook, 3 potential tropical systems are now in the Atlantic. And while they are expected to organize into a tropical system, none of them are forecasted to impact Georgia. Taking a look at the precipitation for the week. The majority of the rainfall this coming week will remain west out of our CWA. A few isolated areas along the Georgia-Alabama border could see some heavy rainfall late this weekend and early next week. Taking a look at the climate. We're expecting near normal temperatures for the 6 to 10 day outlook, with some slightly above average precipitation primarily for western and northwestern Georgia during that 6 to 10 day time period. Similar look for the 8 to 14 day. And for the 1 month outlook, precipitation is expected to be near normal for this time of year, with temperatures slightly higher than average. So again, to summarize, a quiet weather week is coming up. Highs in the mid to upper 80s, isolated low 90s, lows in the 60s and 70s, with afternoon thunderstorms returning to the region this weekend and into early next week. This has been the National Weather Service weekly briefing here at Peachtree City. If you need to contact us, please go to weather.gov/Atlanta or visit us on one of our social media pages, or give us a call here at the office at 770-486-1133. Thanks, and have a great week.